Brad Williams, Excel primed. Place columns 1 through 4 in reverse order. This is a practice tutorial. What I mean by practice, we did this in lesson 3002. Here we're looking at reversing rounds 3, 2, 1 to golfer. How are we going to do it? Look at choose. Choose call, sequence, columns. Now the difference here is in the previous example, we had 2 instances of columns. What I want you to do is get an understanding as to why this particular nesting is a bit different from 3002 tutorial. Over here, brief narrative. Read it if you need it. Look at the anatomy. This is pretty straightforward stuff. Take these columns 1 through, looks like 14. Then sequence is going to put those into reverse order. It's multiplying the 1 through 10 by -1. Then sequence is going to take the numbers and reverse them. Work it out. What I mean by working it out, get rid of this choose column. In other words, just take this equal sequence columns B20 and see what the output is. Do it in a different cell. Then take choose call. We've already done that. And you know we can go in here and choose call and put this in reverse order by using -4, 3, 2, 1. A little versatility is good for you. Read it if you need it. Take a look at this anatomy. Break these numbers apart. Experiment. This is all about practice. Brad Williams, Excel primed.